Imagine making money while barely lifting a finger. It sounds too good to be true, but with AI, it's not. Artificial intelligence has evolved beyond futuristic hype into a real, practical tool for generating income. From creating content to automating marketing, AI allows you to leverage systems that run almost on autopilot. In fact, some people are already making hundreds or even thousands of dollars monthly with minimal ongoing effort simply by setting up the right tools and processes. Today, I'll show you the laziest ways to make money with AI, methods that don't require you to be a tech genius, stay glued to a computer, or reinvent the wheel. Curious? Let's dive in. 1. Automated content creation for blogs and websites. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is through automated content creation. Tools like Jasper, WriteSonic, and ChatGPT can generate high-quality blog posts, articles, and social media content in minutes. You can create a website on a niche topic, use AI to produce regular posts, and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. What makes this method lazy is that AI handles the heavy lifting of writing, research, and formatting. All you need to do is oversee the process, ensure SEO optimization, and occasionally tweak the content for a human touch. Once your site gains traffic, income can become mostly passive, flowing in from ad networks like Google AdSense or affiliate programs. Some entrepreneurs even hire virtual assistants to manage posting schedules, making this almost a fully automated system. By strategically choosing evergreen topics like personal finance, health, or tech reviews, you create content that keeps attracting readers without continuous effort. AI can also help you repurpose articles into videos, social media snippets, or newsletters, maximizing revenue streams with minimal extra work. The key is consistency in setup. After that, the website can run like a money-generating machine with just occasional monitoring. 2. Print-on-demand designs and merchandise. AI can also help you generate custom designs for print-on-demand merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters. Tools such as Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva AI allow you to create unique, appealing designs in minutes. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring handle printing, inventory, and shipping. What makes this method lazy is you don't deal with logistics. You just upload designs and let the system sell for you. The process is straightforward. Use AI to brainstorm trending ideas or niche concepts, create the artwork, and upload it to multiple platforms. Once the designs are live, they continue selling without your intervention. By focusing on evergreen trends or niches with loyal audiences, you maximize the chances of consistent sales. Some sellers even automate promotion using AI-powered social media tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, scheduling posts to generate traffic without daily effort. This combination of AI creativity and automation turns a simple idea into a revenue stream that requires very little ongoing maintenance. 3. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another area where AI shines. Instead of writing endless content or cold emailing prospects, you can use AI to create optimized landing pages, product reviews, and email sequences that convert. AI tools can research high-performing keywords, generate persuasive copy, and even draft automated email campaigns targeting specific audiences. This is lazy because the AI handles repetitive marketing tasks while you earn commissions from sales. The strategy is simple. Pick a profitable niche, sign up for affiliate programs, and create content that promotes the products. AI can help craft blog posts, video scripts, or social media posts that encourage clicks. Tools like Jarvis or WriteSonic allow you to automate content creation at scale, while email platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit manage campaigns with minimal input. After the initial setup, you can sit back as your affiliate links generate passive income. Some entrepreneurs even outsource promotion to virtual assistants or AI-powered ad managers, making the process almost hands-off. 4. Chatbots for customer service or lead generation. Businesses are always looking for ways to automate customer service and lead generation. AI chatbots like those powered by ChatGPT or ManyChat can answer questions, schedule appointments, or guide customers through sales funnels. This method is lazy because once you design the flow and train the chatbot, it runs independently, handling hundreds of interactions without human intervention. You can offer chatbot setups as a service to small businesses or integrate them into your own website to increase sales. Many companies pay a monthly fee for chatbots that improve efficiency and customer experience. With AI handling responses, the workload is minimal, requiring only occasional updates or adjustments. For example, real estate agents, e-commerce stores, or coaching businesses can all benefit, allowing you to create a recurring income stream with almost no daily effort. 5. AI-generated stock photography or art. Stock photography and digital art are another surprisingly lazy way to earn. AI tools like Midjourney, Dolly, and Canva AI allow you to generate images in minutes that can be sold on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Etsy. Unlike traditional photography, there's no need for equipment, photo shoots, or editing skills. Once uploaded, your images can generate passive income for months or years. The lazy advantage comes from the fact that you produce multiple variations quickly. AI can also help you research trends, suggest image styles, and even create bundles for increased sales. Some sellers focus on niches with constant demand, like business stock photos, social media templates, or abstract artwork, ensuring steady streams of downloads. Once your portfolio is built, the system largely manages itself, turning creativity into a near-passive revenue machine. 6. AI for dropshipping and e-commerce automation. Running a dropshipping store can be exhausting, but AI simplifies almost every step. AI tools can automate product research, copywriting, customer communication, and even ad creation. For instance, AI can suggest trending products, generate product descriptions, and create Facebook or Google ads that target potential buyers effectively. This is lazy because the heavy lifting, research, content creation, and marketing is handled by software. Once the store is set up and your supplier handles inventory and shipping, income can become largely hands-off. Platforms like Shopify, Oberlo, or Spocket allow integration with AI tools, creating a system that almost runs itself. Add AI-driven email campaigns or retargeting ads, and the process requires minimal ongoing effort. Many successful dropshippers now earn consistent revenue with AI doing the majority of work behind the scenes. 7. AI video creation for YouTube and social media. Video content is king, but creating it can be time-consuming. AI changes the game entirely. Tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Runway allow you to generate professional-quality videos using scripts, voiceovers, and stock footage in minutes. AI can even automate subtitles, thumbnails, and social media snippets. This method is lazy because once the system is set up, videos can be produced and scheduled with minimal effort. You can monetize these videos via YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, or selling courses. AI can also analyze trends and suggest topics that perform well, ensuring your content reaches a wider audience. Some creators even repurpose old content automatically across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn using AI scheduling tools. Essentially, AI turns video production, a traditionally labor-intensive task, into a mostly automated income source. 8. Automated investment and trading with AI. AI isn't limited to content. It can help you make money through investments too. Robo-advisors and AI trading platforms analyze market trends, manage portfolios, and execute trades with minimal human input. Services like Wealthfront, Betterment, or even AI crypto bots allow you to invest with automation, optimizing returns while reducing the need to monitor markets constantly. This method is lazy because the AI handles research, analysis, and timing, freeing you from hours of manual tracking. Of course, it's important to start small and understand the risks, but with smart settings and automation, AI trading can become a supplemental income source with minimal effort. You only need to periodically check performance or adjust strategies as your financial goals evolve. Conclusion: turning AI into a passive income machine. AI now lets you earn with minimal effort by automating content, create continuous income. Lazy isn't slacking, it's leveraging AI to work for you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for this more content. Thank you.